Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. I'm not sure if this is going to be a bonus video or whatever. I'm just going to film it. This is a lot of stuff, but we do have this big jumbo haul, and then I also have a baby haul that's going to be coming in a couple of weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. And let's just get into it. If you want to know what I picked up from the Dollar Tree, let's get it. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 of the Trifle containers. So if you guys saw my last Dollar Tree haul, maybe it was a couple ones back, I actually had a purple one in my haul that my grandma actually purchased. She didn't want it, she gave it to me. But I ended up finding the pink one. So this is so cute. It's basically for like parties and stuff. I'm thinking I could put my body sprays and stuff in here. I don't know. But I went ahead and picked up 2 of these, and I also went ahead and picked up this baby. I'm thinking I could put my beauty blenders in here. It's just so interesting, and this one just says container on it, and it was pink and it matches the other little situation. So went ahead and picked up all 3 of those just for decoration purposes. So I'm just going to go ahead and reach into the bag and we're going to see what I got. So first off, I went ahead and picked up this headband, and it is like a Sherpa kind of material, and it is like a brown kind of mocha shade. It's just so stunning. I couldn't pass it up. They had a couple other colors. They also sell these at the 99-cent store. I went ahead and posted those finds on my Instagram, but those are a little wider, whereas these are just, you know, a little smaller. So I went ahead and picked this up for those days when I don't want to wear my hair up. I could just have it down and put a little headband on. So this is so cute, and it's like that soft kind of material, and again, really cute and like fashionable looking. For $125, can't beat it. Next product, I'm honestly not going to go in order of like makeup or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and pull things from the bag and we're going to talk about it. Next, we have this Remi Rose liquid lipstick. I think this was like the original liquid lipstick formula, which is actually really nice. This is the one in Drew. Really beautiful color. It is more of an orangey nude kind of moment. Why don't we get into it and like, you know, look at it and swatch. There's a look at that color. Again, this one here is in Drew. All right, let's look at the color. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It's actually leaning more on the pink side than orangey. We'll definitely have to see how this looks on the lips, but honestly, it's a really beautiful color. I love Remi Rose Cosmetics. Love them. I actually have some other of their products in here. I have 2 of the Remi Rose lip balms. These are their tinted lip balms, and I do have 2 different colors here. These are the only 2 that were available at the Dollar Tree. We have the one in Skyler, which looks to be more nude, and then we have the more pinky one in the shade Gianna. So super cute packaging, but again, you're not keeping that, but the actual like products themselves are actually really good all the time. Like Remi Rose Cosmetics, they have some really amazing lip products, so definitely check them out. As I always say, they're very underrated. There's a look at that. How cute. Ooh, I think these are kind of gonna be like a lipstick vibe. Let's swatch it. Okay, it is more on the pigmented lip balm side, but I think this is very much going to be a lot of people's favorite. The pink one is so cute, and it is like a creamy kind of formula because again, it's like a lip balm with tint to it, as the name implied. But yeah, these are very in right now. A lot of people love that tint kind of look to the skin or the lips. You honestly don't need a lot of this product. Looks really nice. And I'm really intrigued to see the more nude one. Oh, I think this one's going to be a favorite for a lot of people as well. There is Skyler, and then this one is in the shade Gianna, the pink one. So interesting. Can't wait to try them on the lips and see how they actually look. But yeah, these are definitely going to be people's go-tos, I'm sure. Kind of just throw it in your purse and throw it on throughout the day kind of vibe. These are so cute. So glad I picked them up. All right, so I did go ahead and pick up a bunch of skincare kind of vibes. The first one is a Bolero hydrating body oil, and this one here is a hibiscus flower and coconut moment. Love this packaging. Love the see-through kind of vibe. All right, the product looks like so it says, after shower or bath, apply 3 to 4 drops to clean skin while still damp. Smooth on a few drops to help seal in moisture. and let dry naturally. So okay, it says a few drops, so I guess a few sprays. Hydrating body oil. I think this is gonna be very interesting. I really have been into like more body care products, if you guys have seen my other hauls, but it looks really interesting. I'm kind of curious to see how it smells. Alrighty, so it is not a spray. It is more of a kind of product. So interesting. Before we get into the Bolero products, because I picked up quite a few of those, we have this Spa Luxury Rose and Vanilla Scented Body Spray. Again, I've been into more like body products, and this smells really nice. This was actually the last one as well, so I went ahead and picked this up. It's really cute. It has like that pink kind of moment to it, and I think this is going to look so cute in my little area of my body care stuff. So super cute. Another Spa Luxury product. I went ahead and repurchased the body wash from Spa Luxury, except this is a different scent. So this is their Spa Luxury Aromatherapy Slumber Calming Lavender and Chamomile Scented Body Wash. It has like the lavender scent to it. It is a foaming body wash, and this jumbo size will last me about like 2 to 3 months. It's really nice, foams really nicely, lathers well. So I went ahead and picked up another one in a different scent. Okay, now we can get into the Bolero products. So we do have two from this line. This is from their Coconut Winter Berry scent. I think both of them, yeah, both of them are from that scent. So this is their Gentle Face Exfoliator. This is meant to hydrate, revive, and replenish. So I haven't really been into too many exfoliators for my face, so I really want to see how this works, what it does. Let me know if you've tried it before. Apply dime size to wet face and gently rub in circular motions and rinse clean. So I'm thinking this is not a everyday kind of product, but more like an every other day maybe. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm gonna have to do some like research because I don't want to mess up my skin. It's actually been really irritated recently. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, but can't wait to see how that works. We also went ahead and grabbed the facial toner. So this is meant to hydrate, revive, and replenish, as the other one said, except I actually got a comment on my Instagram post on this product. Somebody said it made someone break out, so I'm kind of scared now, but we'll see how this works. Again, I don't really know how to use toner. I did get a comment where they were letting me know all the steps and stuff. I really have to go back and read that and apply it to my real life, because yeah, I never use toner, but so many people say it's amazing for your skin, so I have to start. Another Bolero product is their facial moisturizer. So this is a Renew in strawberry, seed, and kiwi. It's meant to moisturize your skin with nutrient-rich ingredients to help boost skin hydration. Basically just a moisturizer. Love the packaging, which is why I picked it up, but also, let's hope it's not open. I think I actually did check everything this time. If you guys saw one of my other hauls from Dollar Tree, you know why. But yeah, super cute. Again, love the pink, but also love a good moisturizer for my skin. Next product is actually for my hands. So this is also from Bolero. Their hand cream in coconut milk and honey. I was really intrigued by that honey part because I love the smell of honey. I love honey, and also coconut. So definitely can't wait to try that. And this was also sealed from what I remember. Not my most favorite dispenser, but you know, it's cute, especially if I want to throw it in my car and just have it for on the go. Perfect. And lastly, we have this product also from Bolero, definitely giving me sunscreen vibes, but I thought this was so cute and attention grabbing. This is their Tropical Getaway Body Scrub in the pineapple and coconut scent. I've actually never really done like body scrubs, but apparently you do it in the shower. That's what I hear people say, but I could barely read the directions because they're so bright. It says apply to wet skin and massage to exfoliate and then rinse clean. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a try and see my thoughts. This was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is everything for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you have any comments, concerns, any advice on the toner and the facial exfoliator in the comments down below. I'll make sure to read them and apply them to my real life, as I said before. So that's it. We made it to the end, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.